Hi guys, this is Kavai's Cutie Corner. This is called LOL Biggie Pets. And this is Hot Pop. Let's get opening. So let's see. Let's open. So we have the glasses, and we have wait. Maybe I don't know. But it stays with this. That's her necklace. Oh, you got this. Let's open this one first. So after we open this, we have to get the glasses. Let's see. What do this say? Cute little bunny. Whoa. Oh, my cute little bear bunny. It's free. Woo, free. Guys, I just opened up the big LOL. So I'm trying to get this ribbon off so it can go around her waist or her neck. But I think we have a surprise first. Since we're into LOLs and we have to open surprises. Welcome guys, we're back. Ooh, we get glasses. Little baby glasses. And what else do we have? What is this? Ooh, we get their collar. This one. Birthday parties, friends, I don't know, friends, food, comic books, cool, so cute. Oh, they're broken hearts. Cool. Next up, this one. I don't know. Can't wait to save my clues. You get little baby glasses again. We get the bunny shovel. And we get a keychain bone. Cool. We definitely need it. And this one. I think it's something. Kitty time! I mean, bedtime! I think we have to dig in the sand for our kitty. We do. We'll take this ugly sand out and we'll see what we got. Oh, my cutie! Welcome back. Sand. We have a hamster. He's all sandy. Eeks. Ooh. I think we have our ultra rare taco like the same taco like here. What do they say? I don't know, but we have our ultra rare taco. Oh. get one chocolate taco. So we have glittery boat tacos. This one is the fruit taco. This one is chocolate taco. This one is golden and this one like golden. Like the same golden like our little doll we opened up the other day. Let's check if there are any more. Oop, yep, we have some more. I'm sorry, boys and girls. That was a weird starting. Let's check if there are any more. If they're not, then I have to whole thing back in. Because this is beautiful sand I ever seen in my life. Go on. Go on, go on, go on. Well, I think, let's see if we have all the sand out, then I'll put it back in there. There's nothing inside the box, so let's put these sand back in the box. Guys, I'm talking about how you like my toys and what you like in the video when I open it up. I'll show you the sand. A quick show. If you like the sand, give a thumbs up. The glittery sand. Or if you like the kitty sand, give a thumbs up for it. When the kitties go in, or with the kitties, give the thumbs up if you like the gold. Guys, if you like the clock, if you like it, give a thumbs up. I like the stuff is the sand, the glittery sand. Give a thumbs up if you like these doggy bones. They're so cute. I wish I could get one dog and a real life dog, LOL dog, can be my best friend. Then we have the wishbone. What is this for? I don't know. Maybe for her head, something. We'll give a thumbs up if you like the bowl. Oh, next up we have these girls. My beautiful girls. Give a thumbs up if you like the hamster. The hamster looks cute, I know. And give a thumbs up for taco! Taco, taco! It's a fruit taco. Ta-da! And if you like the shovel, give 2 thumbs up. Next, we have the cute little bunny. I think hers cute. Her has these cute little bunnies, bending ears. I love her hair. Her glasses are cute. And I like her chain. And know what else is cuter? Her taco. And give a thumbs up if you like the shovel too. I think it's cute. And give a big thumbs up if you like the bunny. Hop hop. Ring the bell, give 2 thumbs up and comments below.